Hi. For those who don't know me, I am Jennifer Auer, founder and creator of Jersey Family Fun, the best online resource for families looking for information about how to have fun together across our great state of New Jersey. As a resource for New Jersey families and a mom myself, I recognize the role that a woman's health and the health of her baby affect her ability to enjoy motherhood and her time with her children. That's why I'm so thankful to have partnered with Inspira Health these past 2 years to share information and resources that are helpful to new moms, those who are expecting, and the families that support them. There is no doubt that this current COVID crisis may be a cause for concern among women who are pregnant or planning to have children. Here now, the Inspira medical team shares information to help address some of those concerns.
So we actually know from observational data that while the chances for severe health effects are low, pregnant women with COVID-19 do have an increased risk of severe illness compared to non-pregnant women of the same reproductive age. In addition, pregnant women can, with COVID-19, be at increased risk for adverse pregnancy outcomes, such as having a preterm birth, which is delivering before 37 weeks, compared to pregnant women without COVID. So it's especially important for pregnant people and those who live with them to get themselves protected from getting COVID-19. Yeah, unfortunately, there's no way to have zero risk of infection. So it's important to know how to be as safe as possible. In general, the more people you're around and the closer you interact with them and the longer you interact with them, you're at higher risk of getting and spreading COVID-19. So consider the level of risk when you're deciding to go out, to interact with people, especially those who don't live with you. If you do go out, ensure that you and the people who live with you are taking steps to protect themselves. And there are many ways we can do this, and we know best that if we limit the interactions with people who have been exposed to or who might be infected with COVID-19, including people in your own household, as much as possible, that's helpful. We can take steps to prevent getting COVID-19 when we do interact with people by wearing a mask, especially when you can't keep distance from other people, avoiding others who are not wearing masks, or ask them if they're around you to wear a mask. Stay at least 6 feet apart from others outside of our household. Wash our hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. And if soap and water is not available, we should use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol content. Finally, we should just avoid activities where taking these steps might be very difficult.